Good morning, everybody. Surprised I'm tired, but I slept in a little bit today because I deserved it after I went back to bed after taking care of Bojack and everything. So he's right here though right now. And then I'm about to go make breakfast. This is starting to heal pretty good. Alright, this is breakfast this morning. Very good. Alright, here's a little hair before I do it today. Right, today this is my little makeup setup, and then I have this to kind of film on, but it's not plugged in. It's just gonna be like a little snippets of what I'm doing. this is my hair and my makeup afterwards. So cute. Alright, my hair's up already because, what do you mean? But look at all the dye on my head. But that's okay. Tomorrow, hopefully, it'll be gone. Because I do have that dinner with my family. Look at how cute he is. He's so good. I'm working on my to-do list now. Alright, here is my lunch. It's my first time doing Pilates with the fireplace on and with a full beat on, so let's get it. All right, here's my dinner. I have a lot of protein tonight because I am starved. And then the light lemonade or zero lemonade, some of the squash I've never tried, applesauce, and peaches, and lots of steak and vegetables. All right, I'm sitting down here with Bo, taking a break before I go do my power walking for the night. 25 minutes of power walking, 20 minutes of Pilates. So yeah, and then gonna go hang out in the living room after that for a little bit, and then I am going to my mom's just for like a night so I can go to the birthday dinner for her and Joey, and then see Oscar and Meadow and everything, and then also go to church on Sunday. So super excited. All right, ignore my eyes. I'm not upset or anything, but I did just finish. I did Pilates earlier before dinner, then I had dinner, then I sat with Bojack for a while, and then I just did my power walking, and so I washed my face after that, and I will shower in the morning because I would like my hair to look somewhat nice tomorrow, so yeah. All right, I have laundry going. I'm down here with Bojack, about to have some dairy-free hot chocolate, which is good, but I don't know why I'm making that grumpy face, but it's because I still have laundry going, and it's 9:30, so. All right, so tonight I'm sleeping down here with Bojack. He is very anxious tonight, so I'm gonna sleep down here with him.